Hey beautiful souls, it's your friend Em. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing on this beautiful Friday. I wish it wasn't 25 degrees, but it is. So today's video is going to be about healing your tired soul and what to do if your soul is just genuinely feeling depleted of energy, drained, and just tired and just not the best. So let's go over some tips on things that can help that for you guys and things that I do that genuinely help me. The first tip is to move around. Get your body going, get the blood circulating. This could look like dancing around and just like having a good time. I love to have like little dance parties with my kids in the living room in the mornings and the afternoons. It could be doing some yoga. It could be going to the gym, going on a walk. And if you're going into the gym, I know sometimes when I'm like really depleted of energy, sometimes it's harder to go to the gym on those days. Sometimes it's what I need. But you don't have to have a super hardcore, intense workout. Just getting your body moving, even if it's like some really slow paced cardio, if you're on the bike, just getting your body in motion is really gonna help you come back. And if you do all these tips together, I promise you're gonna be feeling a lot more refreshed and rejuvenated after the fact. With 30 minutes of exercise, it's actually scientifically proven that within 30 minutes, your brain starts like letting off endorphins and like the happy chemicals. So that's why I put that in here, because it's scientifically proven. The second thing we're gonna do to help our souls when we're tired and feeling depleted of energy is gonna be meditation, escaping the noise and taking a step back, centering yourself into your own energy, and just, unless you have a cat and then she decides to interrupt. I'm kidding, kind of, but it's okay. Reflective meditation for about 20 minutes can help reawaken your soul. And there's plenty of guided meditations if you're not into just like trying to sit there and just like, you know, lotus position type thing. You can also lay down and put on like a guided meditation. They have ones for like 10 minutes. I would suggest like at least 20 minutes. But they also have ones that like run through like while you sleep, like the whole 8 hours, like 10 hours, like you name it. And people will like talk to you about how to breathe, like, you know, tell you in and out type of thing. And there's all sorts of different voices. A guy that I really like his meditations is Jason Stevenson. I'm pretty sure I'm saying his name right. I will link his stuff down below. I really enjoy listening to his meditations. He has a nice, calm, soft like vibe to his voice, and it's very calming. And he'll tell you like which part of your body to relax, starting from like your toes up or from your head to the toes, like unclench your jaw, loosen your shoulders, you know, all of the things. So I would definitely check him out. Or if you're not into him, there's plenty of other people who do meditations if you're looking to go the guided meditation route. Or there's just like background, like really pretty like sounds that help you spiritually. What is that called? Binaural beats, that like helps a lot too. So just choose whatever works. Or if you're like really on it and you can just like straight up meditate without all of that, congratulations, you're on to something, because I have to like listen to something. But yeah, meditation is going to help you come back to the center and to yourself and just feel really good. The third tip I wanted to share with you guys is doing things mindfully, being very present in your current moment, taking in the smells, the sights, the feelings, the vibe, taking it all in. And just doing it as you go is going to help your soul, because you're not going to be, when you're being mindful about things, you're not going to be sitting there like bashing yourself about the past or giving yourself the anxiety of the future. And it's going to help with depression, anxiety, being mindful and being able to be in your present moment and taking in the vibes that are right in front of you, that you're currently experiencing right now in this present moment. Be more aware and awake in each moment, and fully accept it for everything that it is, and just write it out. Just really write it out and just be in the moment, girl. Be in the moment and bask in it. Take the energy in, fully engaging in every moment with acceptance and open arms and just taking it for what it is. So trusting your intuition is the next thing that we got to do. Trusting that internal feeling. When you have that gut feeling, you got to trust it and let it guide you, because that's our body's way of like letting us know that we're in danger, something's going on, or hey, like this is really awesome, like this is a really good connection I'm having with this person, you know? Really learning to trust yourself. It took a while for me to like trust myself again after getting out of like a not so great relationship. Learning to trust yourself and letting your intuition guide you in your decisions and what you go for is gonna help you be more aligned and going towards like your passion and your purpose. Following your intuition and your gut feeling is gonna keep you safe. If you're in like a bad area and you just get like a really bad feeling about the place you're in or like the people you're around, listen to that, because that could literally save your life. Your intuition is there to help you. It is your body's way of telling you. My phone keeps blowing up. It's your body's way of telling you that something's not right. You need to trust your intuition always. And I know after being in like, sometimes if you're in like really bad relationships or friendships, you can learn not to like trust yourself because other people are telling you like what you believe in your gut because you're feeling it. They're telling you something completely different. And I understand. But really you have to trust yourself because your body is giving you those signals for a reason and it could potentially save your life. So trust your gut because that bitch knows what's up. The last and final thing, and I think this one's very important, is detoxing your soul. I have an entire video on this. I will link it down below as well if you guys are interested in a soul detox and taking your power back. But soul detoxing your soul can look like stop listening to low vibrational music. Like a lot of like the rap music and even some metal music, it can like give you like the negative vibes. Like it's very depressed people who are doing drugs, like participating in violence and a lot of hookup culture stuff that's not good for your soul at all. No judgment if you do those things because we've all been there. That's fine. I'm just saying like that music, like the frequency of which that music is not very good for your soul. I will put a playlist to Kristen Teeb and other music that's good for the soul that I've created down in the description if you need some inspiration on music that will be very good spiritually for you with affirmations and just really good frequency vibes. Detoxing your soul can also be getting rid of low vibrational people, and I don't like calling some people low vibrational, but that's just, I'm calling it how I see it. Having distance from certain people that when you're done with your interaction with them, how do you feel? Do you feel energized? Do you feel like sunshine? Or do you feel like, damn, like that was weird, that was messed up, or this person, excuse me, was belittling me? Like, stay away from people that may bring your vibe down. Stay around the people that make you feel happy and like sunshine and make you just genuinely feel more creative and more inspired and more aligned with yourself and your soul purpose. Stay closer to those people. Cut out the low vibrational people. It's also like detoxing like your body from bad foods. I know whenever I eat more bad, fatty, processed food, that I am more likely to be in a bad mood versus when I'm eating my peppers and my spinach, my avocados and my fruits. I'm a lot more likely to be happy and energetically aligned, and my soul's gonna feel a lot better because that's coming back to like where we came from earth, from the source energy, which provides us with fruit and vegetables from the ground and like, you know, well treated like chickens and like fish, I guess, versus like mass produced meats that could be like horse meat or like even human meat. You never freaking know. I'm into conspiracies, so you really just never know. But eating a lot of McDonald's and like fast food and just even like super processed, like if you cannot pronounce the ingredients, I would just stay away from it because it's probably just not good for you. That's also how you can detox and help heal your soul and like make your soul feel more awakened again. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that video right there with that. If you guys want a part 2, let me know. I had some more points written down, but for the sake of the time crunch I'm working with right now, I'm gonna sign off right here. I love you guys so much. So much. You are so loved, so worthy, so freaking beautiful. And please don't forget that. I hope, because if you clicked on this video, you're either just like a really big supporter of me and my channel and what I stand for, or you're like have a really tired soul that needs some healing, that needs just a little extra oomph, a little extra like care. I suggest you go watch my last video. That's self-care for the soul. I will link that down below, as well as my whole like creating your dream life playlist. It's very insightful, things that I know work, things that I've implemented, and when I'm implementing these things consistently, I see the results. Like, the proof is in the pudding. That's my testimony for that. But yeah, guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are doing great. My Instagram I have down below too. If you guys ever need anybody, you can message me, judgment free. Everything will stay between us in private. Yeah, I'm here to help, and I'm here to spread all of the good vibes and do what I can to help everybody and help myself, so we can all live the life that we dream of and the life that we deserve, because you do deserve it. Even if you don't believe it, I promise you it's gonna get better. And once you're on the other side, so beautiful. Oh, all right. I love you guys so much. Until next time. Bye.